Hello guys, welcome back to the Amateur Drone channel. This is my second video so far, and I wanted today to explain to you if you were confused about what was the drone that I lost in my last video when I was filming Charlevoix, Michigan. My drone that I lost, it was a Force One drone that was bought off of Amazon. It was actually really good. If you're looking for just a sporty drone, you can just mess around with it, you don't really care about it, I would honestly just recommend that one. Cause it was so sensitive to the touch, but it was super quick at the same time. So I actually have the remote with me right now. So this is the up button and this is the down, and then it kind of explains it itself. But yeah, if you push up this one really fast, it will shoot up. It's awesome. But it's just super quick to the touch and everything, like I said before. But yeah, that's pretty much I just lost my drone in Petoskey. It was actually in I think it was actually a park that was down by the harbor. I think it was called Petoskey Bay Park, I believe. But it was a really nice area in my opinion. But I was just I was trying to get the Marina and stuff, and then I started going out of range. Or actually no, I actually couldn't see what way my drone was facing. It was scary because I didn't have a drone that had the Wi-Fi stuff, the really cool things, where you could see what the drone was seeing. But yeah, it just went out, and I think it's in the lake right now. But I was okay with it because it was only $80. It wasn't a $3,000 drone. But yeah, it was still kind of a loss. But today, let's get to the point. I wanted to talk about my current drone that I have. I found this for $170 on Amazon. It's a Cimarex X11 photography drone. This has an FPV camera on it, so what it will do, it will tilt any way, it will keep it level. There's a computer / gyroscope in here that will keep it level no matter what way you tilt the drone. It's really cool to me, and it has actually a pretty long battery life too. But you have to be careful. First off, when you buy this, you have to follow the calibration instructions, because when I first got this, it was it would go insane. It would fly all over the place and crash, and I didn't know why. But then I eventually got it to work and stuff, and you just have to be really careful not to crash it. Because you have to recalibrate it almost every single time you crash it. But a tip that I usually like to do to help avoid a crash is when it lands, as soon as it goes on the ground, you press your finger. You have to be really careful not to get your fingers chopped in the rotors, but you need to push down on the Cimarex logo to help keep it there, because they have sensors on here to make sure it's stable ground and everything, and occasionally it will do a miscalculation and will flip over. Then you have problems, and then you have to recalibrate it again. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a brief demo, or not a demo, an explanation of my drone. I actually want to show you guys a brief demo, me flying it and stuff. But that's it for now. Bye guys, thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, so we are ready to fly, because if you look right there, you see that little satellite icon on there. That means it has picked up signal and we are ready to fly, because it's GPS assisted and stuff. So if it goes out of range, it will automatically return to home, which is really nice. And it has a 500-meter range too, so this is gonna be really cool. So we gotta hold this button down to start the rotors. Yeah, and then the drone will be ready to fly. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. You gotta start the rotors again. Here we go. Adjust the camera too. I'm going to push the buttons to like go up and down. And look, on here, you can see what the drone is seeing. Like it's super cool. This thing is like a lot of fun to like just noodle around on and stuff. So like, yeah, here's some of the video. I just now started the button. A little bit touchy sometimes, but it goes overly slow most of the time. You can see it's like, it will twitch occasionally. It means it's got to get back in its like GPS location, which is really cool because like it won't go straying all over the place and stuff. It's kind of nice. And you can go up super high too. And stuff. I'm gonna land it and I'm gonna show you guys like how to do it. I didn't discover this until like a couple of weeks ago when I first got it. So you gotta hold the takeoff button again. You gotta press the Cimarex logo. Then you gotta wait until the rotor's shut off and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later.